talk about fame and happiness, of some brilliant, interesting life. But for me, all these pretty words, if I may say so, are just like marmalade, which I never eat. You are very young and very kind. I don't know what is so delightful about my life. You have heard of obsessions. When a man is haunted day and night, say by the idea of the moon or something, well, I've got my moon. Day and night I am obsessed by the same persistent thought. I must write. I must write. I must write.
No sooner have I finished one story that I am somehow compelled to write another, then a third, after a third, the fourth, and so on. I write without stopping, except to change horses like a post chase. I have no choice.
What is there brilliant or delightful in that I should like to know? It's a dog's life. Now, I'm here talking to you both excited and delighted. Yet not even for one moment do I forget there is an unfinished story waiting for me indoors. I see a cloud shaped like a grand piano and I think,
I must mention somewhere in a story that a cloud went by shaped like a grand piano.
I smell heliotrope and I say to myself, Seagull smell morning shade must be mentioned describing a summer evening. I lie in wait for each word, each phrase that falls from my lips or yours, and hasten to lock all these words and phrases away in my little story. They may come in handy someday.
When I finish a piece of work, I fly to the theater or go fishing in the hope of forgetting myself. But no. The new subject is already turning like a heavy iron ball in my brain. Some invisible force drags me to my table. I must make haste to write, and so on, forever and ever. I have no rest for myself.
I feel as if I'm devouring my own life. Therefore, the honey which I gave to unknown mouths out in the void, I rub my choicest flowers of the pollen, pluck the flowers themselves, and trample on the roots. Surely I must be mad. Surely my friends and acquaintances no treat me as they would treat a sane man. What are you writing in? What are you going to have next? The same thing goes on over and over again until as if I feel my friends' interest and admiration were all a deception. They are deceiving me as one deceives a sick man. And sometimes I'm afraid that at any moment they may steal on me from behind and seize me and carry me off like a prestige into a madhouse.